powerful storms swept across Belarus, bringing torrential rain, strong winds, hail, and flash flooding to several cities. In Gomel, only minutes of intense rainfall flooded major streets, overwhelmed drainage systems, and forced buses and trolleybuses to stop. Drivers struggled to find dry routes as traffic slowed across the city. In Vitebsk, violent winds struck just before the opening of the Slavianski Bazaar. Festival tents were torn apart, trees crashed onto roads and vehicles, and residents rushed for shelter as the storm passed. Emergency crews quickly cleared debris while preparations continued, despite the damage. Although the storms disrupted daily life, the famous festival opened as scheduled, reflecting the community's resilience. The extreme weather across Belarus highlights how rapidly powerful storms can develop, leaving floods, fallen trees, and widespread disruption within just a few minutes.